Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Wayfair how to get to save for later items. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. If you want to find your save for later items on Wayfair, what you need to do is first head over and then open up your Wayfair app. Now once you are here, what you need to do is log into your account. Now once logged in, you'll find an option that says cart on the bottom right corner of the screen. Now once you are here, scroll down until you find your save for later section, and there your saved items will be listed. Now to move an item back to your cart, all you gotta do is select the product or item, and then you'll find an option that says move to cart. Simply tap on that to move it back to your cart. Now if you can find your saved items, make sure you're logged into the correct account. Then you can also create wish list to save items for future purchases. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon in the next one.